here's the pistol squat. I'm going to show it to you and then break it down. So the benefits of the pistol squat is to, obviously it's a lot more work on one leg, so you can balance out any kind of muscle strength imbalance, because you can really focus just on one leg. So you can use it with a weight or without, or a stepping stone would be to hold on to your toe. So with a weight, you're going to grab it into a goblet position. Could also be in the rack position. Show you from the side. Leg out, hip back, hollow out. And you're going to pistol your foot into the floor to come back up. Without a weight, takes a little more of a hollowed out position. Now I always engage my foot by slapping it on the floor. I'm really going to reach out for my toe as I do this. Hollow out. Come back up. Another way of doing it is to hold on to your toe of the straightened leg. And this is a little easier because you don't have to hold your leg out in front of you, but it teaches you how to engage and hollow out your stomach. Back up. There's the pistol squat.